My kids can never get tired of eating this yummy curry indomie. Okay guys, let me share with you how I achieved this curry indomie noodles. First of all, I boil water to parboil the indomie noodles, and over to the other burner I'm boiling 4 eggs. Okay, my kids can't have the indomie without egg. Yeah. So already the water has boiled. I'm putting 7 grams of indomie noodles. Yeah. So after adding that, I cover to parboil for just 5 minutes, and then voila, this is 5 minutes already. So I will stir it and save out the water. You know, it's important to save out the water, okay? So in a frying pan, I added the olive oil. You can go ahead to use vegetable oil if you want, okay? I'll be using chicken kebab. Yeah. So I added chicken kebab. I proceed to stir fry it because you can see it's already ice. I added curry. This kebab chicken is already seasoned, okay? I always add the curry for more seasoning and taste, okay? So I will stir fry it for 7 minutes and then scoop it aside. I'll make sure that it is well stir fried. You can see the way I'm frying it. The ice will first of all defrost and I'll stir it very well. Okay, after that I will scoop it aside. It's all well fried, as you can see. So I add in another olive oil and then go ahead to add onions. I will saute it a little for some minutes and then add fresh tomatoes. Okay, shout out to my new subscribers. I'm glad to have you all here. To my OGs, mamas, lovelies, friends, sisters, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back to engage in my videos, liking, commenting and sharing. I so much appreciate you guys. I owe you guys a lot and you guys are the best. Okay, if you've watched to this moment and you've not subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this family. I'll be glad to have you here. You will enjoy it here. Trust me on that. Okay. Okay guys, after stir frying the tomatoes for a few minutes, I added carrots. Okay, behind the screen I've already cut the carrot and the vegetables I'm using peppers, the green, yellow and red bell peppers. Okay, you can cut it any shape of your choice, but I love cutting it this way. If I cut it long, my kids will not eat it. Yeah. So I have learned them, and this is the way I cut my vegetables. So I will stir fry the carrot because you know it's the strongest one among all the vegetables. I will stir fry it for a while and then go ahead to add the vegetables. That's the cut bell peppers, the green, yellow and the red pepper, and then sweet corn. Yeah, I added sweet corn too. If there's any vegetable you don't like here, you can remove or add one if you want. Okay, so I will add the indomie spices. Okay, that's the chicken flavor and the chili. I won't be adding more pepper because my kids doesn't like pepper at all. So if I add more pepper now, they will not eat the food. They'll abandon the noodles for me. So the chilies is okay. So after adding the chilies and the chicken flavor, I stir fried for 5 minutes. But before then, I added curry. Yeah, I stir fried for 5 minutes and then go ahead to add just a pinch of salt, and then little ginger. Okay, so I stir fried again and then add the indomie. Okay, the indomie noodles. So guys, tell me, are you a lover of indomie or your kids a lover of indomie? Trust me, all kids love indomie, and when you prepare it this way, believe me, they can never have enough of it. They can't. Okay. So after more stir, I had to reduce some vegetable because I feel it's much. I reduce and then add the noodles. Okay, I will stir well to combine with the vegetables, introducing them to meet one another. You know, we have love at first sight. Yeah. There are some couple that made themselves just at the first meeting. Okay, that's how life is. And then, ta-da! Our noodles is all ready, garnished with the kebab chicken and egg. Isn't it looking so yummy, attracting, enticing, and delicious? It's so healthy too. Thanks for watching till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye.